Welcome to Mr. Criminology, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing Article 205 or judgment rendered through negligence. Under Article 205, judgment rendered through negligence is committed by any judge who, by reason of inexcusable negligence or ignorance, shall render a manifestly unjust judgment in any case submitted to him for decision. May apat itong elements. First, offender is a judge. Second, he renders a judgment in a case submitted to him for decision. Third, judgment is manifestly unjust. And fourth, it is due to his inexcusable negligence or ignorance. Na-discuss na po natin kung ano ang judgment at unjust judgment sa Article 204. Article 205 is similar to Article 204. The difference is that in Article 205, the judgment is manifestly unjust and it is due to the judge's inexcusable negligence or ignorance. Yung manifestly unjust judgment, walang requirement kung may knowledge o wala si judge. Unlike in Article 204, knowledge that the judgment is unjust is an element. Ano nga ba itong manifestly unjust judgment? It is a judgment which cannot be explained with reasonable interpretation or is a clear, incontrovertible, and notorious violation of a legal precept. It must be patently contrary to law if rendered due to ignorance or inexcusable negligence. Example, yung batas pala na ginamit ni judge sa judgment niya ay repealed na pala or naamendahan na. Ang duty ng judge ay maging aware sa mga batas natin. So kung di niya alam na na-repeal na pala or naamendahan na, itong act na ito ng judge ay considered inexcusable negligence or ignorance on his or her part. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.